Hello! Today I'm making easy sweet sour tiger prawns. This recipe comes with a thick sweet and sour sauce that coat the deep fried prawns. It's very appetizing, perfect for a party. This recipe is for 5 servings. I am using 600 grams of large fresh tiger prawns, or about 10 pieces. They have been trimmed, washed, and deveined with a toothpick. The detailed explanation is in the See More link. Marinate the prawns with 1 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle half of them on one side and rub slightly to spread it evenly. Turn them to the other side and repeat with the other half of the salt. All done, leave them aside. Now we prepare the paste for the sauce. Cut 40 grams of red chili over a blender. And 10 grams of dry guajillo chilies. They have been soaked in hot water for 20 minutes until softened. Blend both chili into a fine paste and leave aside. Make a flour slurry to thicken the sauce by adding half tablespoon of tapioca flour into a small mixing bowl. Add 15 ml of water. Stir until combined and leave it aside. Place a frying pan on the stove over medium heat. Add 400 ml of cooking oil and leave it aside until it's ready for deep frying. This will take around 7 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, generously sprinkle the marinated tiger prawns with 50 grams of crispy flour on both sides. This absorbs the excess moisture and helps the sweet sour sauce to cling to the prawn shell. Make sure to add the flour to the head and rub to spread the flour evenly. Let's fry them. Dip wooden cooking chopstick in the cooking oil to check for bubbles. These show that it is hot enough. Add the prawns one at a time. I am holding them down so they curl less when cooking. Flip them when the colors change to orange. Each prawn only takes 2 minutes to cook, so I am removing the ones that are done with the strainer. Set them on a cooling rack. As they cook super fast, I am only cooking 2 at a time. Alright, all done. Switch off the heat and let them all drip off the excess oil on the cooling rack. Now we will cook the sweet and sour sauce. Place a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and let it warm up a little. Fry 25 grams of finely chopped garlic in the oil for about 2 minutes until fragrant and crispy. Remove most of them from the oil with a strainer and set aside in a bowl. Add the blended chili paste. Fry until fragrant. Be careful of the fume as it can cause irritation. After about 2 minutes, the chili paste is slightly dry now. Add 100 ml of tamarind juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Stir until well combined and boiling. The sweet and sour sauce is a little too thick, so I am adding 50 ml of water. Stir again and mix until it comes to a rolling boil. Then add 75 grams of sliced yellow onion, 45 grams of sliced green capsicum, 50 grams of sliced yellow capsicum, and 50 grams of sliced red capsicum for color and sweetness. Coat the vegetable with the sauce and braise them for 1.5 minutes for a crunchy texture. If a soft texture is preferred, braise it for 3 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally. Give the sweet and sour sauce a taste. It's too sour and spicy. I am adding another half tablespoon of sugar. Stir to mix until well combined. And add 100 grams of tomatoes, cut into wedges. Stir and cook them slightly. Add flour slurry. Stir again until well combined. And this gravy should be slightly thicker, like this. Switch off the heat. Add all the fried prawns. Gently toss them until well coated with the sweet and sour sauce. Top it with 12 grams of spring onions and all the crispy fried garlic. Mix them all together. Serve immediately while it is still hot. Sprinkle spring onions. See, the prawns is well coated with the sweet and sour sauce. Let's eat! So delicious! The prawns is well marinated and the sauce has the perfect balance of sweet, sour and spicy. Delicious! Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!